Hey guys, this is a humidifier made by Chivalz. It's 6-liter, high capacity for larger rooms. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it looks like and go over some of its main features. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. This unit will quickly condition your air by putting out up to 300 milliliters per hour. It helps with dry skin, cough, colds, and other things. It is a necessity, especially in the colder days of the year. This is a 2-in-1 unit. It's a humidifier and also diffuses oils. You can add the oil to the tray in the back. All right, so here it is. It's very good looking. Cool thing is that you don't have to remove, you can remove the top and fill it through here. You can also pour water directly over this area and it'll just go into the tank that way. The 6-liter water tank capacity allows for a 50-hour run without refilling. It is best to use distilled or purified water. A red light will turn on when it's time to refill the tank, and it will stop misting when the water is low. So this is at max setting. And then this is adjustable to anywhere in between the lowest and the highest. This would be the lowest setting right here. There's a soft blue light over here, which illuminates the whole tank at night. You can turn it off by pressing this button. To add scent to your humidifier, simply just remove this little tiny drawer right here. Put some oils in there. Do not add any oils to the water, because that will damage plastics. This humidifier is great for any room in the house. It can be good in small room or a large room up to 538 square feet. Works very quietly at 26 decibels and is great for nursery rooms as well. Also, if you need to fill the tank, let's go ahead and turn this off. You can grab it by this handle. Just remove it. Even though we have water in there, we're still safe because it has plugs in there that just automatically engage when you pick this up, and you can go ahead and refill the water tank even if there's still water in there. Very simple and easy operation. The convenience of a top filling option is great on this unit. You don't have to remove the tank in order to refill it. You can just fill it at the top. It is also easy to clean and maintain. Humidifiers are a necessity in every home, which makes it a great gift idea for housewarming, for the holidays, or any other occasion.